little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super cute house scene with flowers, a sun, and flying birds.
Yay!
Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Draw a big triangle for the roof of the top floor. Now draw a rectangle right below the triangle. Let's draw another rectangle under that. This will be the roof for the first floor. Now draw a big rectangle under the roof. This is the first floor. Draw a door in the middle of the bottom part. Now add windows, one on the bottom floor and two on the top floor. Great! Time to draw a chimney on the roof. Let's make it lovely. Draw two cute flower trees beside the house. Now draw a bright sun shining in the sky.
La da 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 dee.
And finally, let's add some flying birds in the sky, like little M shapes. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp, so our artwork really pops. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color using rainbow colors. Let's say the colors together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la.
Blue color. Purple color. You're doing amazing, little artist. Yay! You did it! Your house scene looks beautiful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep coloring and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.